Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And see, once again I'm back to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 22, and the chapter name is How to Live Safely. So it's a lecture number 2, and we will see that how to be safe that at home and on the roads. So last videos I taught you about the safety is very important for us, that we have to follow some rules to stay safe, and for stay safe we have to be very careful in everywhere. So safety means is what? Safety is the state of being safe, means we have to save from danger, risk or injury. So we have to save us, we have to save and we have to protect us from these all things, from danger, from risk and from injury. And it is very important to be safe everywhere, on road also, and we can't go alone on walk on the road, and it is not safe to cross the road on your own. So for that all things we have to follow some rules. So here that we need to be live safely, and many things is around us, like there are many things around us that may be not safe, and can cause harm to us, and for that we have to live very safely. We have to be very safely, and for live safely we have to very careful in everywhere, in every moment. At home we have to save from the blade, knife, scissors, from the wires, from the gas, fire gas, matchsticks. So we have to save at home from everything, so that for that we have to be very careful. So our topic is like that, safety at home. So I said that in first point is there that we should not play with sharp things. We should not play with sharp things such as blades, knives and scissors. So it means it's like a dangerous for us, so we have to protect us from these all things. So we should not play with these all sharp things, because of these we can get harm also, and it can hurt also. So we have to be safe, and we have to be we should not play with sharp objects like the blade, knives and scissors. Second is, we should not open door to unknown person, the person to whom we don't know, means like they are a stranger and there is unknown for us. So we should not open for them the door, the home door. Suppose we are at home alone, and we should, like someone is knocking the door, the unknown person, for that we should not open the door. Before opening the door we should walk orally, that who are these and why are you came here, what's your problem, what you need. So after that all the information you just ask with parents, and then you can open the door. So we should not open the door to unknown person. Third point is, we should not play around with wires and switches. Exactly, switch is very important, like at home. So for us, for safely we should not play around with wires and switches. Because of these we can get like a shock also. So for that we should not play around the wires and around the switches. It's very dangerous for us. Next point, we should not go near the burning gas, stove or electric heater in the kitchen. And next point is what? The fourth point, we should not go near, like suppose some children they are going to near the burning gas, there we should not go there, it may be burnt. So it's better that we should not go near the burning gas, the stove and the electric heater in the kitchen. So if we need some work, then we can say to our parents, they will bring something, but we should not go near the burning gas, stoves or electric heater. It may be burnt, so for our safety we should be careful in the kitchen also. Next is, we should not touch things such as ovens, mixers, toasters, etc. with wet hands. Wet hands, like suppose that you are washing your hands and then after you are going to touch the oven, mixer and toasters. On that case, you will be get shocked. Why? Because these all it is attacked with the electricities. So if you can touch these all things with wet hands, then you will be get shocked. So we should not touch these all things with wet hands, such as ovens, mixtures, toasters and these all things. It will harm us, it will give the shock, electric shock. So we should not touch these with wet hand. Next is, we should not play with matchstick or gas stoves. So many people, they are just playing with the matchstick and these all things, doing the drama, dancing, these all. So we should not play with matchsticks or gas stoves. It can burn also and it can very harmful for us. It is dangerous for us. So for our safety, we should not play with matchsticks or gas stoves. Next, we should throw fruit peels in the dustbin. Like whatever, suppose that peels is there, vegetable peels and fruits peels, these all we should always throw in the dustbin. We should not throw on the road or in the like corner side of the kitchen or anywhere. We should always throw that all fruit peels or vegetable peels in the dustbin. We should not throw them anywhere on the ground. Exactly, we should not throw these all things, the fruit peels, or anywhere on the ground. Suppose that if you have ate the banana and then you throw the banana peels on the floor, if someone is came then they will just put the feet on the bananas peel and they will get the hurt. So for that, we should not throw any fruit peels on the ground. We should always throw the fruit peels in the dustbin. And dustbin, it should always be covered, because it will just produce the germs and these all things. So for the safety, we should not throw the fruit peels on the ground. Next, anyone may slip over them and get hurt. Exactly, if you can throw fruit peels on the ground at home on the ground, then anyone will come and they may slip over them and they will get hurt. So for that, we should not do these things, because the other person will also get hurt. So for that, protect us also and protect the person, another person also. So we should not throw the fruit peels in the dustbin, and it should not be thrown on the ground. It is always throw in the dustbin, and we just protect us from these all things. Next point, we should put away our toys in place after playing. Exactly, like suppose if some children, what they are doing, they are playing with their toys and then they just left they are only where they have just played, and they just leave that toys on the floor. It's a very bad habit. We should not do that things. If suppose that we are playing with toys, then after that we should keep that toys in their proper place. We should not leave them on the ground only. We should always keep them on the proper place, so that it will looks also good. Or if suppose that if anybody will come and they will fall, then they will also get germs and they will also get like hurt. So for protect the other person also, if we are playing with toys, then we should just keep after playing, we should keep all the toys after the playing in their proper place, so that the other person will not get hurt and will not be injured from us. So we have to take care of our safety also, and for the other safety also. We just imagine, we just think that for our entertainment we can't hurt the other. We should always protect the other person also. We should always save from the dangerous thing from the other person, and from the like family members, and from us also. So for live safely, we should always be careful and we protect us from these all dangerous things. So these all are the some rules are there that you should have to follow at home, and I hope that you are just following these all rules every day. Now safely on the roads, that we will see in the next class tomorrow. Till that, please read the safely where that, and these follow, you just follow these at home. Till that, thank you and have a nice day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.